Good morning, ma'am. So I am Shinjin Bravo Lauta from Base Cream 2. So this is my video or presentation about the final examination of this subject. So the question is, what are the most important concept or lessons you gain from the subject? So we all know that what is ethics, right? So the most important lessons I learned in about ethics is what is the difference between what is right and what is wrong. It taught me to think that carefully before I act and to consider if my actions are good or bad, especially respecting for others. I learned that every person is important and deserves respect. We should not hurt them. We should not hurt others physically, especially in emotionally, because um, we must treat people the way we want them to treat us. And also being honest and fair. It is very important to be honest and do things fairly, diba? Like cheating, lying, or taking advantage for others is never be okay or never okay. Also, my next question is how ethics change my thinking and behavior. So I became more careful with my decisions, and I understand people better, and also I am more honest and true to myself, and treat everyone with kindness. So uh, treating everyone equally, no matter who they are or where they come from. Like some people are racist, uh, homophobic, bully. Like there are people are black, there are people are gay, or like ganyan. Dapat respetuhin natin sila, like tao lang din sila, and we should consider them as normal, because some people think that they are they have mental disorder or mental illness, ganyan. So we should respect their decisions in their life, especially in LGBT. Like alam naman natin na in the sa in the Catholic, like bawal talaga yon, but we should also respect them as a human, because respect them because respect them it can help them to boost their confidence and uh, make them proud to themselves. And also in the black people, it's only a color of their skin, and I don't think that they're different from white people, because they're the same. We are the same. And but I believe that those people are racist. They are the one who have mental illness, because why we bakit i-judge yung tao na ganyan. Black people are most talented and have a contribution in the country or in the whole world. So that's all. Thank you.